Hello everyone, Esteban here with All American Print Supply. With the rising popularity of the direct-to-garment transfer or DTF printing process, we've seen a lot of awesome products and also some mistakes. What we'd like to discuss today are some of the do's and don'ts with the direct-to-garment transfer or DTF printing process. If this is your first time on the YouTube, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and tap that post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome print-related content. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Let's get started. Let's take a look at some of the don'ts when successfully performing the direct-to-garment transfer or DTF printing process. Firstly, you would never want to spray any sort of adhesive to your platen when you're going to be loading your film on there. We have some awesome supply items for that step that we'll get to in just a moment. Next, you never want to apply your hot melting powder to your wet ink on the actual printer. You'd want to safely remove your film to a powdering station and apply it away from anyone in your room. Next, you never want to attach anything to your printer. No sort of vacuum, lighting, any kind of humidifier, as this could damage your machine and void your warranty. Next, you never ever want to use any third-party ink. Not only will this for sure void your warranty, you're also going to be compromising the quality of your print. Next, we highly encourage only using the eco-free line of hot melting powder and direct-to-garment transfer DTF film. It's the only line out there that is Ecotech safety certified, which means it's okay for the printer and for the customer. Now let's discuss some of the do's for the direct-to-garment transfer or DTF printing process. Now our very first don't was not to spray any sort of adhesive onto our platen. What can happen is that adhesive spray can actually breathe into our machine and possibly damage the internals, which we do not want. Now, safer alternatives that you do want to do are going to include double-sided tape, our new All American Print Supply grip tape, which you can segment off and apply on for safe and easy adhesion. And we now also offer these awesome anti-static grip pads. These will also give you a layer of adhesion for your film and also remove any sort of static, which can make the process of powdering a little bit easier. The next thing is always going to want to have safety gear. I'm talking about gloves and a mask. This is ideal when you are performing the powdering step so you do not contaminate or breathe in any of that powder adhesive. While it is Ecotech safety certified, it's not stuff that you'd want going into your lungs. And lastly is going to be ventilation. It is recommended for a room air purifier or possibly even having the windows open. The key is to ventilate the room.
In conclusion, let's do a quick recap on the what to do and what not to do list. First, on the what not to do. Do not spray any sort of adhesive coating onto the platen, especially when it's attached to the Epson F2100. Do not spray any powder near the printer or on the platen when it's attached to the Epson F2100. Do not attach, alter, or modify anything to the printer, such as adding lights, anti-static ion generator, vacuum platen, as this can cause issues and may void our warranty. Do not use any third-party ink. Epson ink is going to be the best and safest and is also not going to void our warranty. Do not use any other film other than the eco-free film, as we've granted safety Ecotech certification for all of our products, meaning safe for customer and for print operator. What to do. Do use grip tape, double-sided tape, or an anti-static mat to hold the film onto the platen. Do use gloves and wear a mask when operating with any of the direct-to-garment transfer products. If working in a small room environment, air purifier is recommended, as well as leaving the door or windows open. Ventilate the place.
And that's going to wrap it up. I hope you found these direct-to-garment transfer or DTF do's and don'ts helpful and they improve your production process and your final results. For more awesome and informative videos, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, just AA Print Supply Co. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button, tap the post notification bell, and leave some thumbs up if you find any of our content useful and informative. If you do have any questions, leave them in the section below. We'll get to those ASAP. If you haven't already, you can always visit our website, aaprintsupplyco.com, for our full range of direct-to-garment transfers, DTG equipment, supplies, and many more. My name is Esteban. We are All American Print Supply. We'll see you on the next one.